Bangkok. Welcome back to PS Travels. Currently we are travelling in Bangkok where we have been for 5 days. So far we've visited food markets, seen amazing temples and gone to a very noisy river, if you can hear that. And we've also been visiting this mall which is crazy expensive.
Food is everywhere in Bangkok. On the street, in food trucks, and there are restaurants everywhere you look. It's usually pretty good too.
Get some authentic Thai spring roll and a stick chili sauce. Okay, good. Love them again.
The street markets are the life and soul of Bangkok. Always busy, be prepared to be invited to look at clothes, drink cheap beer, and of course, try the food.
TukTuks are a common sight in Bangkok and can be a very useful way to see the city. You will get plenty of offers, so our tip is to arrange a price first if you are going to use one.
This is the Grand Palace in Bangkok. Tickets cost 500 baht, but it's free to Thai nationals. It's slightly on the pricey side in Bangkok, but definitely worth it to see these amazing temples.